Introduction to housekeeping. Introduction. Every house, whether private, like yours, or commercial like offices, shops, hotels, hospitals, clubs, etc., needs to be kept clean and tidy, so that it looks inviting to all. This is where housekeeping comes in. Cleaning and maintenance services can be spotted very easily anywhere. The basic concept of housekeeping has started from keeping a domestic house clean and has gradually come to maintaining high standards of cleanliness and maintenance at commercial levels. Besides this, housekeeping should also contribute to the saving in costs of labor, cleaning material and equipment, furnishings and the like in every type of establishment. Housekeeping definition. Housekeeping in simple words means maintaining a house or a business property on a daily or long-term basis or looking after its cleanliness, tidiness, upkeep and smooth running. In case of hotels, the housekeeping duties involve maintaining the hotel to the best possible state in terms of cleanliness, and keeping it at highly desirable ambience. Areas of housekeeping. In commercial establishments, the housekeeping services are done by a team of specialized people according to different areas. Here is a detailed list of areas which need housekeeping. Rooms and corridors, ceiling and wall paint, wallpaper, fans, air conditioners, electrical switches and sockets, wiring, windows, doors, glass panes, bed making, carpets, locks, keys, etc. Toilets, taps, sinks, water closet, geysers, water supply, electrical sockets and switches, supply of towels, toilet paper, toiletries, soap, shampoo, etc.